This is Introduction to Computer Science on Code Combat. I am working on the Python course. So level 1, goals. Avoid the spikes, collect the gem. Guide your hero by writing a program with code. Write code in the editor on the right and click run when you're ready. Your hero will read it and follow your instructions. Move your hero down the hallway without touching the spikes on the walls. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to go ahead and hit run. More instructions. Type move down on command line 6. Okay. So I'm going to start typing move. Here we are. Down. I'm going to click on that. And then let's go ahead and test it by clicking run. And notice my hero. Yep. Okay. So he's moved down. And if I want to go back to double check, you can just rewind here. Okay. So obviously what would be next is, I believe, move right. And I'm going to, again, I could hit enter or I can click on it. It will automatically fill it in. Let's see if that's successful. Looks like it is. Excellent. Excellent. And we are moving on to, well, level 2. So we can hit done and perfect. Let's keep going.